This video will get you all the tips you'll need to make the impactful resume as a software engineer. This is Purushottam Baghel. I'm 8 years experienced software developer working for a product-based company. I'll tell you all the tricks and tips you'll need to make the better resume. First and foremost, keep your resume short and simple. By short, I mean one pager. Like, trust me, if you have experience less than 10 years, you only need one page. Use that page efficiently. Like, use all these spaces properly, and you can capture all the information that is needed in your resume. The second thing is simple. Simple means like need not to use fancy tools. You can use any simple tool and create the impactful resume. Like, most of the time I use Google Doc personally. You can use the same and generate the impactful resume that can be used in any company. You can, in Google Doc, you can build the resume and export in any format. So best thing, you can try that. The second thing is, like, always go through the JD, like the job description which you are applying for, and improvise your resume accordingly. So when I say this to people, like, mostly people understand we have to put everything which JD needs, and they'll started lying on that. That becomes a mistake. Never lie in the resume, because as soon as you'll start lying on the resume, the interview becomes so difficult for you, because someone can ask on that point, and that will be really torturous for you to sit in that interview. So don't do that. Another thing, like, companies are using ATS as of now, like application tracking system. What exactly that do, they'll try to have see all the skills you have mentioned, and they have the skill sets, they'll match it. So if you are a right candidate for them, they'll actually call you for the interview. So for the ATS, you can have another section, special section, where you'll keep all the skills. So I'll discuss about the section in the next point. So here is my next point about the sections. Make your resume, divide your resume in the sections. Like, the first section should be your bio, where you'll keep all your bio. Bio means your name, all the things which you want, regard external links which you wanted your interview to know, like your GitHub link, your email, your LinkedIn identity, everything which you want, like, interview should know, and that will give you an edge over the others. Like, put it in the bio. The next section should be your experience. Experience should be on a chronological order, like the latest job on the top and the other job on the bottom. So inside the job, every pointer should have the verb, like the action which you have done, and the impact. So impact is really important, because most of the time that will help you to understand what exactly you have did with that action. So try to quantify your impact that looks good on the resume. The next section you can put is the skills which you have, like all the skills, all the programming language which you have worked, all the cloud which you have worked, and either you have worked on Kubernetes or not, like all the things which you have worked in, you can put it in the skills. Then if there is space left, you can put all the awards and achievement. So that should fit in one page, and that should be sufficient for you. The other thing, like, most of the people are confused about, is the photograph. Should we keep it or not? Like, this is totally optional. If you are comfortable sharing your face, like, you should go for it. But in some countries, I think people will prefer if you have the photograph. For those countries, if you are applying, put the photograph. For the other countries, it's up to you how comfortable you are. The last thing, and one of the important thing, is to keep your resume consistent. Like, whatever font you are using, whatever text size you are using, color you are using, keep consistent throughout the resume. That will help your resume look good. And honestly, like, this looks beautiful if you'll have all the things consistent. If you'll put everything on the different font, that won't look good on your resume. So these are the few tips which I have been using on my resume and helping me a lot. Hope this will help you also, and you'll able to make the good resume on the basis of that. And if you have actually liked this video, this content, please like and share it.